Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your game version and map name match the index source, because mismatches cause missing entries. Next, open the developer console or your mod tool and load the target Jurassic Blocky world. This gives you live access to objects. Once done, enable asset logging and capture initial object counts for NPCs, props, and terrain features, so you have a baseline to compare as you extract indices and avoid duplicate entries. You now extract indices by scanning the object list and copying unique ID, paying attention to parent-child relationships so hierarchies stay intact. Then use search filters like type, tag, position X, Y, Z, and spawn time to isolate relevant entries and reduce noise. Make sure to map each ID to a clear human-readable label and export the results into a CSV or JSON file, so you can import or reference the index reliably in future editing or scripting tasks. You finish by loading the saved index back into the world to test that each ID spawns or references the expected object, because verification catches subtle errors. If mismatches appear, check timestamps, duplicate ID and the world load order, then re-export only corrected entries. Finally, save a dated backup of the final index and keep a copy in a different folder. If things go wrong, restore the backup and rerun the verification pass immediately to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.